Hi, this is Tawny with the Kinsman Free Public Library, and today I thought I would show you two of the really fun toys that we have in our makerspace, so you have something really fun to look forward to when we can eventually start playing together again. We, right before we shut down, actually got a computer building kit. This little Kano computer kit will let you actually make your own computer. And then to go along with the computer kit, we got a motion sensor kit so that you can use your hand to control the computer. The kit is really fun. You guys won't be able to take it apart and rebuild it, but there is so many coding activities and games you'll be able to do that you won't even miss the one-time build. So, on the inside, this is what it looks like. Here's our little keyboard, which is rechargeable. Our power cord, your computer's brain, the rest of your computer's brain, as well as a case for the speaker you can build. So you can and you will actually be able to build a full computer. It also comes with the cords to connect the computer to each other, the little components, as well as power, and then to connect it to a TV or a computer with an HDMI connection port. It also comes with, oh, I don't think I got this in quite right. There we go. You'll notice it doesn't come with a mouse because this will be your mouse. It also comes with a handy dandy instruction booklet that actually gives step-by-step instructions on how to put your computer together. So it breaks it all down and explains each of the different parts and how they all work together. You'll notice this Raspberry Pi. That's the language your computer will speak. So that's what you will be learning how to code with when you come in and eventually are able to play with our computer set. It also comes with stickers. Lots and lots and lots of stickers. So you can decorate your case, the keyboard if you want. There's a lot of stuff you can use the stickers for. And then our motion sensor kit will work with your computer. So once you have gotten this all mastered and you know what you're doing here, you can then code with your motion sensor kit to make games and even music. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It also has a handy dandy instruction booklet so that you know exactly how to put it together, and it explains how it works. More stickers so you can decorate it yourself. And then the kit itself. So this is the base you'll set it on when you have it on the tabletop. The USB cord to connect it. And then this little guy is the actual motion sensor part. So this is where you'll wave your hand, fabric, a banana if you want, and that'll be how you activate the motion sensor. So hopefully soon we will eventually be able to play with this and show it how you work, and you can start learning all kinds of fun games and coding activities. Thanks for watching. Bye!